The annual Great Aloha Run is a nonprofit race that allows people of all ages and around Hawaii to show their support. This year, over 4,500 soldiers from the 25th Infantry Division participated in the 8-mile run.
I felt great during the run with all the soldiers out there. So 4,500 Tropic Lightning soldiers, a bunch of soldiers from 8th TSC, United States Army Pacific. So it was a great showing of unity by all the soldiers and the units. Plus everybody just has a good time enjoying themselves running, looking at the scenery, taking it all in.
Soldiers in the local community ran side by side, cheering each other on and showing their appreciation to one another. Reporting from Aloha Stadium, I'm Army Sergeant Vanessa Ashley.